In a world where everyone swears they had it right away, one tiny camera dares to capture the truth. Introducing the Redtiger F7MP dash cam. The 4K witness you didn't know you needed. It sees all, it remembers all, and it even records the time where you went through the drive-thru twice. Let's see what's inside this puppy. You have the user's manual and a quick guide. Inside this box, you see the AC adapter. This is 12 volt. This is the back camera, which is in full HD 1080p. This is the windshield mount. There's a trim tool, and finally this is the 4K camera itself, the Redtiger F7MP. So the Redtiger records the front in glorious 4K, and the back camera records in full high definition 1080p. That's like giving your car laser vision. The 170-degree front and 140-degree rear wide lenses means no blind spots. Not even that one squirrel that always plays chicken on your street. If something happens, you've got evidence that even your insurance companies can't deny. Installing the Redtiger is super easy. Even that cousin that keeps calling the HDMI the square cord could do this. How easy is it to hook up the rear camera? Just pretend like you're sneaking Christmas lights past HOA. Clean, discreet, and no drama. Now let's talk about power moves. With the built-in 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, all you gotta do is open the app, watch the footage, and boom, you can share it fast, and your group chat can type in what happened. The GPS tracking logs your entire route, your speed, and even all those snack detours. Perfect for proving that you weren't speeding, you were just efficiently moving. With the 24-hour parking mode, while you're sleeping, it's still watching, because nothing says sweet dreams like knowing that your dash cam's guarding your ride from the raccoons and the reckless shopping carts. Check this out, it's got the f1.5 aperture plus WDR night vision. Translation, it sees in the dark like a vampire with a GoPro. Street lights, headlights, tail lights, all clear. You will catch license plates, details, and maybe even your own reflection questioning life at 2 a.m. after fast food. So yeah, the Redtiger F7MP doesn't just record accidents, it records moments. Moments of truth, moments of I told you so. Plus, you get 24 months warranty, and if you sign up online, you snack 6 extra months. That's like 2.5 years of peace of mind and HD justice. So if you like protection, proof, and the power to say roll the footage, then get yourself a Redtiger. Before your next drive turns into the next episode of Caught in 4K.
You can get up to 42% off as Redtiger is offering a big Black Friday discount. Discount code is mentioned on the video, and also you can find it in the description below. So go get yours and enjoy up to 42% off.